Welcome to my tutorial on the 6th grade Independent Study Technology Project. From the Create button in Google Drive, if you click on it and go down to where it says From Template, it will take us to the Fairview Park Template Gallery. And these are preloaded templates that students or teachers have added. And what we want to be typing in is, and I'll zoom in for us to see, so if you just type in the words independent technology and select search templates, I take that back. It is actually titled Independent Study Technology Project. So the first two words you want to type in is independent study. Once you select independent study, you can click where it says use this template. Wait for it to load. Right now it says copy of, so we want to make sure that we title it correctly. So get rid of the copy of portion. Type in your last name. So now it says your last name independent study technology projects. For the rest of the year, you're going to be working on a project that you are interested in, something you're passionate about. As you can see, we have 17 different options that you could choose from. If you want to use Scratch to create an animation or a game to teach a concept, you can record a screencast QuickTime to teach a non-technical concept, something I'm doing right now, except I am teaching something technical. But let's say you wanted to maybe teach about the water cycle. You could use QuickTime. Google Earth, you can do podcasts, iMovies. You can create a documentary. I wanted to show you real quick a stop motion. A lot of students have asked me what's a stop motion. So if you select where it says stop motion and click on the link below, watch for it to load. It's a stop motion video is just a movie put together that is a series of still photographs. In this particular case, it was about 100 photographs that were taken and put together into a movie. So I'll quickly show a quick portion of it. So all of this particular student took still photos and then put them into iMovie to make one movie. So that would be an example of a stop motion. You can use make a survey and share the results. Glogster, you could do a book trailer. I wanted to show you also a Common Craft style. Before I get there, you can do a voice thread, Pixton, you can make a Go Animate, but let me show you what a Common Craft style video is. A Common Craft style video is a type of video that explains a tough to understand concept in plain English. In this particular case, I'm going to show you about the Electoral College, how we vote in the United States for the president. So this is understanding how we vote. As you're going to see, it is put together videotaping a bunch of pieces of paper with a person voicing over them, and when they're done with those pieces of paper, they simply take their hand and they wipe it clean.
I do it.
So right now there's a small advertisement, but you can skip this ad after the first 7 seconds.
Every 4 years, Americans who are 18 or older have a big responsibility. Our votes decide who becomes the President of the United States. Unfortunately, the U.S. election system isn't that simple. This is electing a U.S. President in plain English. It's easy to imagine every U.S. citizen's vote being counted.
So you can see that it's done with paper. A person voices over it. They can take the pieces of paper and maneuver them, manipulate them. It's done on a whiteboard, so you can even draw. But that would be another type of project that you could work on. Once you've figured out which type of project you would like or have an idea, you can type the 3 ones you're interested in before you start narrowing it down. I'd imagine by the end of class today you should have a good idea, so that way when I'm back next week we can have a conversation on what you would like to work on.